Oh, there you are, Grandma. What are you watching? What the fluff are you watching? Why are you watching cats look screens? You know you're watching TV. Grandma. Ah! You just don't care. Turn it off. Because I'm gonna go terrorize your house. Whoa, Grandma, you okay? Grandma, what are you doing, Grandma? No, stop it. I'm sorry. Not sorry. Oh, shoot. Grandma, die. Doesn't matter. I'm sorry. I have a frying pan. Yeah. Ooh, that looks expensive. Pop. Right there. Wait. 0, 4, 2, 6. 0, 4, 2, 6. It's a computer. 0, 4, 2, 6. It was B. Bah. In my mouth. I'm gonna eat it. It's like if I use this USB, I can maybe. Ah. 0. Oh, boom! There's another file. Oh, the mouse is moving. I don't know what's going on, but who's your friends? Oh yeah, I forgot you don't have any friends. Grandma, what were you watching? It says Braun. What are you watching? Grandma, Grandpa died like 20 years ago, and you're already watching, Braun. Grandma.